Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, if your Microsoft Store is not opening, you're just stuck somewhere. So guys, don't worry, I have got you covered. So in this quick video, I will show you three easy ways to fix it and get it the store working again in 2025. So let's jump right in. So guys, if you can see here, in my case, Microsoft Store is working. If I hit, it's working fine. But in your case, if it is not working, then first thing first, just you go and restart your computer. And once your computer has been restarted successfully, just go and try. If it is still not working, then the second easy fix is just go to the task manager. You can search here, you can just type it, task manager, just open it. And from here, guys, just type, so you can see here, just go and in task and just go and check. If it is fine, then it's resolved. Otherwise, it's not fixed again. Then the third easy fix is just type here settings. Just go to settings, and in the settings section, just go to the system, and in the system section, just come down. And here you can just try to find system components. You can see over here. Yeah. Under the system components, just try to find here Microsoft Store. You can just click on the right three horizontal advanced option. You can hit on here, and after that, guys, just try to find. Yeah, you can see here the terminate, just go and terminate and go for the repair, yeah, reset. So this way, guys, you can fix it your Microsoft Store not working. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.